guys, I'm on my way to an event this morning, so I thought I'd take you along with me. Just thought you might be interested to see what I'm doing there. And this is a event with Rustoleum, so they make all the spray paints that I often use in my videos. Yeah, so I think the idea is that it's going to be upcycling to some description, which should be interesting, and right up my street obviously. I think we're going to be doing some Ikea hacks. I don't know if that made any sense at all. I was worried about missing my train because I'm running a little bit late. Hopefully I'll make it just about on time. But yeah, I'm here in Hoxton now, so that's where the event is, and I will see you there. Made it. So good old city mapper. So just have a look at this amazing space they've put on. So they've got these, what are basically like spray tanning booths, I guess, for doing any spray painting in, and I can see that there's some Ikea ladder steps over there, so I'm guessing we might be doing a little hack on those later on. And then look over here, there's kind of like this area here which has got this really cool sign, which I think must have been painted with all of their paints. Then there's this little setup here with all of these notice boards and more stalls. And look how many paints there are. This is insane. These look really cool. I think they would be good to do some pots with. Stone effect. Seeing what ones I haven't seen before. Chalkboard paint in green. I haven't seen that one before. These glitter ones, pearly white. This is actually like heaven. How cool is this space? I mean, come on. For anybody that's into a bit of upcycling, this is like a dream. And what a cool space as well. This is just tucked away in Hoxton. Just wanted to quickly show you the kitchen here as well, just for a little look at the kitchen, because this is kitchen goals. Have a look. Look at the beams in here. I just want it.
Sorry.
I mean, I've got no space for this, but...
I know, we were like, imagine.
This is like the size of my entire flat. Before I get going as well, I should probably show you my very fetching pink apron. It goes down to my mid-thigh, but you know, I think it'll do the job. My apron, yeah, I know. I'm sporting it. I like them, I do like them.
I didn't think through the voice like I want to end.
No, I'm all for rocking a bit of pink, definitely.
Like what Coralie brought them for us today. They are literally insane.
So we've each been given one of these stalls, I guess you'd call it, or a ladder stool, and also a chalkboard to do.
30 centimetres away and just overlapping your coats as you go. And it's all about sort of giving it thin coats, leaving it dry. People try to like get full coverage straight away, and that's when you get the drips and it doesn't really dry properly between the coats. So just take your time, build it up.
It's so tempting just to like...
Just to go for it.
Yeah.
Because you do look at the first coat and think, oh well, I can pull through the wood through that, but you do.
Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah.
As long as you keep that distance, you won't get the drips.
Yeah.
We touch dry in about half an hour, and we say
yeah.
leave to between coats about 4 hours for it to really harden.
So we just had a little demonstration on how to spray a stall, and so the technique we've just been taught is to hold the tin, I think, if I remember correctly, 30 centimetres away and spray in short bursts, just slowly layering it up. I think we've got that right, but we're going to have a go at doing our own thing now, and I'll keep you updated with how I get on with mine. And now I think this is probably going to be the most difficult part, and that is choosing the colours I'm going to use, because honestly there is so much choice here. I think they've probably got every single Rustoleum paint ever in the range, and they've also got a few new ones that have just come out. So yeah, I think I'll probably end up spending most of my time deciding what paint I'm going to use. And it looks like I'm not the only one. There's too much choice. I'm going to need to get someone to decide for me. What have you gone for?
I've done blush pink and then I'm going to splatter it with grey.
Oh, a splatter is a good idea. How do you splatter it? Is it with a different, with one of them?
I'm going to try
Yeah.
all right now.
Oh, might do a splatter. Yeah. I need some inspiration. What, I don't know. Shall I go dark?
I think you should have a go with the navy.
Yeah, that's such a nice colour, isn't it? Yeah.
It looks really
Yeah.
nice.
My
used
doors
the
are that
navy
colour.
blue the other week.
Right, we're going to go with that then. Yeah.
So
And what should I do? Spray it blue.
we've also got ribbon, tassels, glue guns,
Oh my
leafing
goodness.
pens.
This is
You can
crazy.
go wild on this. You could put your name in letters glued on it if you wanted to.
We may do that at the end. So I do like an embellishment. Maybe we'll do a stencil. I'm looking for inspiration. What do you do?
Doing something better than me. All you actually do is I need to know.
I don't know.
But you do all these great things at home.
Yeah, it takes me like 5 hours to like one. I'm a bit overwhelmed. I think I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I think I'm gonna go navy blue with some stenciling and maybe a neon flash around the edges. Let's go with that. For now. Yeah, it might change, yeah.
It might change as we go on.
Yeah. So I've just gone around these two sides using frog tape, which is basically like masking tape, but it's a bit better because it doesn't usually leave a residue, so when you peel it off there's not going to be any glue left over. So what I've done is just put one of these stencils on, and I'm going to try and repeat that pattern all the way across the step here. So we'll see how that goes. I'm just going to spray inside this bit, and so there's only one stencil of that size, and then I'll move it across and see how that turns out. And if it goes wrong, I will just spray over it. So I'm just waiting to use one of these spraying booths, and I'm going to go on with this, what's this one called? Multi-purpose paint, and this is navy blue. Look what happened to Esme's legs.
It's alright, you've got to look over the bright side.
Yeah.
Well, I always thought they were too dark a shade of grey.
I think they look cool. Yeah.
Even the curtains have got changed.
And I'm wearing white
I
trainers.
managed to like not get anything on you.
Great. Gonna keep my distance now after seeing that. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and do the first stencil now. Okay, I think I've messed up a little bit. I pulled it off a bit soon and it's blurred. Oh, it looks kind of cool. It's all about experimenting, right? That's what I'm telling myself. I'm glad that I gave it a try. Oh wow, that looks good.
That's amazing.
That's so cool. Is that the stone?
It doesn't go on, it goes
wow.
on glittery, but I think when it dries it will go
Yeah.
on. It's nothing.
That's so cool.
Okay.
I wish I'd done that now.
I haven't done anything else yet.
I would probably do
Maybe I can get a bit of stone onto mine. So although that's a bit of a mistake, now that it's got a bit of blue over it, I think that looks alright. Looks like a kind of tread, I reckon. Maybe we'll leave it.
Oh, it looks so cool. That's 3 quarts.
So I'm doing my notice board now. I've gone on with some frog tape, just in a diagonal line, and I'm going to paint all of this in this chalky finish furniture paint, which is ink blue. And then I'm going to stick on some of these embellishments. Right, I've got Ellie filming me now. Thank you, Ellie. So I'm going to go in with this white gold metallic, and we're going to go in at short little bursts from about 30 centimetres.
Happy?
Yeah. So Laura, who is Rustoleum's paint expert, has just shown me some of the new range that they've got in all different paints. So I just thought I'd quickly show you the different paints, because some of them are really cool and do things that I didn't know about. So they do a garden furniture paint, which is actually a spray paint, which I've never seen before. And this also is really good for painting your kitchen cabinet. So many of you will have seen that video that I did, and this is an option if you want to spray them. So apparently you don't need any primer for this whatsoever. This will just go straight on if you just wipe the cupboard doors down first. And it's totally water repellent, and it's also got an ingredient in it, so it's not going to go mouldy. So it's great for outdoors but also in a kitchen, and this will go onto wood and all surfaces basically. And yeah, so that's a good one if you're looking to do anything in your garden or also potentially your kitchen cabinets. They've got some new metallics in the range, including this gold white, which I've just used, and also the gunmetal, which I'm going to be doing a DIY with soon. These ones look really cool. These are peelable, so basically you can spray these onto a glass or a vase and peel off part of it if you just want to have part of it coloured. And also you could do something on a window with this, so maybe if you need some privacy or you want to just jazz up a window, you could spray it on and it will peel off when you're finished with it. Glitter sprays are new to their range as well, and apparently these are what people are going mental for because they now go full glitter basically. So some people want a glitter wall in their house. If you do and you want to create a feature wall, you can actually do a full glitter feature wall, and it's even called glitter feature wall. So if any of you watching fancy one of those, you could do it in silver or gold. So these are like a subtle translucent colour for wood, so you can wash it on in different layers and it will create a nice kind of subtle effect on any bare wood that you've got. So they've got the colour version, so you can see it where I think that's like 2 coats of it, and then if it's 1 coat it's a lot thinner, so it goes slightly translucent. It's also got a slightly pearlescent finish to it. So really, really nice. They've also got this one called Weathered Wood, so if you want to go for a more rustic look, like this one in White Smoke, it will just go over the wood just to give it a translucent, weathered, sort of driftwoody effect. Right, I'm going to peel this off now, let's see how it's gone.
Oh, it's a really nice line.
How cool is this one? Love that. Just had lunch, and so everything's been drying, and I'm going to give my stall a second coat of paint. Here it is all finished, so I left the edge here white because I thought that looked quite cool anyway, and we've just got the bare corkboard showing through and just kept it really simple. Might have to stick some travel documents on this. Right, so I don't know if you can see this, but this is dry now, well, dryish, hopefully. So I'm now going to peel off the fog tape, and hopefully we'll have a line of the wood still showing all the way around it. That is definitely the most satisfying part of all of it, peeling off the tape. So we're all finished. I hope you found that useful, and maybe it's given you some ideas of some projects that you might want to try out yourselves. Thank you very much to Ellie and the team at Rustoleum for inviting me along to this. It's been such a brilliant day. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I will link any of the products that I can below so you can check them out yourselves as well. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new here. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and feel free to leave me any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.